Import the beautiful neon image. Import a nice gradient image. Go to 3D, new mesh from preset, and then choose sphere. Sphere, I said. What are you doing? Just choose a sphere. Hello, I'm talking to you. Finally. And boom shakalaka boom, Photoshop will automatically create a beautiful 3D ball. Okay guys, what we will do now is against the law. So if you don't want to get into trouble, you should stop watching this now. We need to very carefully smash his head with the ball. Let's select the smudge tool and start carefully smudging the face. Good, very good. Wait, what have you done? Stupid, too much. Now we have to go back. So yeah, anyway, you just need to do it until you think it looks realistic. So basically, I will go and sleep and you can just keep watching this because it's gonna take really lots of time. And also don't forget to make the balls smaller. Let's now add some shadow. Wait, are you stupid? Where have you seen purple shadow? Oh my god, you're making it worse. Finally, black shadow. Maybe your brain is not so empty after all. Add some hue saturation to change the color of the ball. Now select your brush tool, black color, and draw more shadows. Because shadows are like drugs, you always need more. And more, and more, and more. Guys, I can't stop. Help me please. I can't stop. Okay, I think we are good. The last step is to add my beautiful texture image and blend it with the artwork. Boom, chicka boom. Once again we destroyed someone's life, but created a really nice artwork. And if you want to learn too how to destroy people's faces and create really nice artworks using Photoshop, make sure to check out learnfromfred.com where you can access all of my premium classes for just $7. Wow. And remember, I love you. Bye.